Hello, I'm Dr. Nelson Stone, Professor of Urology at the Mount Sinai School of Medicine. I and my course co-directors, Dr. Richard Stock, Radiation Oncologist, and Dr. William O, Medical Oncologist, would like to welcome you to join our 27th Annual Southwest Prostate Cancer Symposium to be held in Scottsdale, Arizona on October the 17th to the 19th, 2024. Our faculty includes world-renowned multidisciplinary specialists, which include urologists, radiation oncologists, radiologists, pathologists, and medical oncologists. In addition to your typical didactic sessions, we have a special session on artificial intelligence, which will include both the diagnosis and management of prostate cancer. Also new this year, we have multiple lectures on PSMA technology, both in the diagnosis and treatment of prostate cancer. In addition, we have a hands-on session for a whole half day on Saturday, which will include training on prostate phantoms. These phantoms were designed to represent a patient experience, and they will include fusion biopsy and a brand new multi-length biopsy needle, which is just being introduced in practice. Lastly, we also have hands-on training in rectal spacing with high hyaluronic acid, hydrogel, and the new rectal spacing balloon. I encourage you all to register early and meet us in Scottsdale, Arizona for the 27th Annual Prostate Cancer Symposium. I look forward to seeing you.